Autos channel here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to private your education status on Facebook. Let's get started. You don't want anybody to know your education status, or are you the good owner, order, are you anything? You don't want any people to find out on your profile. You want to provide as private as much as you want. So let's get started. You open your Facebook, and the next step is I'm sure my tab. Click on this profile picture here. Then scroll up, click on these three dots. Then click on edit. Scroll up. Let's go find. You can see this is it. This here. Click on edit. And there's your skill here. Click on edit. Education. Click on edit. And here it is. You can. You can select it. Click on public. Click on only me. And click on save. And nobody will see your education status on your Facebook until you allow them to make it public. That is when you'll be able to feel either okay, this is your education status. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe please and click the like button and drop your comment. Thank you.